Hi Amy, Kelsey here with Mixed Digital Marketing. Just wanted to leave you some quick tips in regards to SEO strategies you could implement to your website to help it ranking higher in Google. So there's typically three things that we go over. The first is content, second is backlinks, third is citations. So content just refers to words on the page. So with Google's algorithm, although your design is sleek and clean, Google's algorithm can't read how well the design looks. So all it has to rely on is the content. And so in terms of content on the page, we recommend on the home page 1,000 to 1,500 words, and then each additional page 500 to 750 words, depending on what they are. And so that just isn't any content, it's keyword rich content. But again, if we look over here through your home page, you can see that approximately there's maybe 200 words. And so we definitely would want to uplift the amount of words on this home page for you. But again, that isn't just any words, it's the right words. So we use a tool called Ahrefs, and Ahrefs allows us to see things like the rank of your page, the power of your page, and some of the backlinks that you have. And so here you can see that your URL rating is pretty good at 29. So this is the overall power that your homepage is doing, both internal links as well as backlinks. And then the domain rating is the power of your backlink. So you can see here that the power of your backlinks is very low, which is only at 4.9, even though you have 94 referring domains. So the backlinks here are the number of backlinks within a website. So what we really care about is the number of websites that are driving power back to your page. And if you don't know what backlinks are things like blog posts, influencer pages, or just wherever you're able to have a hyperlink that leads back to your website. So it's working as a referral and kind of showing, and Google likes this because it kind of shows that other websites are recommending your site. And so here we want to uplift the number of backlinks, but having do follow backlinks, which are the ones that actually give you power, but having more powerful backlinks. So with a number like 63, as I mentioned before, that's a fairly high number, but this number is very low for that correlation. So that just tells me that the backlinks that you have aren't bringing you much power. They're very low rated domains. And so we definitely want to uplift that amount. And you can see here over time that really you've just stayed really stagnant in the number of domains. If anything, you've gone down a little bit over time. So we want to get you the right backlinks to make sure you have the right popularity for your site. And here you can see the organic keywords, other keywords that you're currently ranking for, and they estimate the amount of traffic and traffic value here for you. So we'll quickly go to Google. So I typed in Austin family law attorney. And so here, if we look back in Ahrefs, you can see that this gets on average 400 searches per month, and the keyword difficulty is only 2, which is fairly easy, which means just the other competition within this search, they don't have the most powerful websites. And then I can quickly show you why. So here we have the ad section where people are paying at a premium for these clicks. And I think I've seen your website appear here before. And so you are paying at a premium, but again, if you just do a search in Google, on average, the most you can get from a search is about 20% of the searches. Some people just don't like clicking on the ad. They're just like grazing past it. And so we want to make sure that rest of the 80% you're capitalizing on. And so this is the map pack section. So the key is to be in the top 3, and the number one thing that drives that is the organic rating, which is powered by the content and the backlinks, and the second is citations, which are going to last. So here in the organic ratings, we can see that we have Kirker Davis, who's very high up in the organic ratings. They're number 1 in the map pack. And then we have Evans Family Law Group, who is the next one at number 10, and and number 9. So they have 2 here, and they're number 3 in the map pack. And so let's look quickly at one of these competitors. I'll look at Kirker Davis. So here you can see, if you go through their page, that they just have a lot more content on their page than you do. And so that allows them to rank for all the necessary keywords and just gives Google a chance to give them a wider range of words to rank for. And if we throw them in Ahrefs, you can see here that their URL rating is fairly close to yours. They're at 33 compared to your 29, but the domain rating is much higher than yours at 26. Although they only have 85 do follow links compared to the 63 you had. And so that just again shows me that the backlinks that they have are bringing them a lot more power than yours is. So that's something that you definitely want to focus on each and every month. And so that brings me to the last thing, which is the map pack, so organic ratings get you about 30 to 40% of the ratings, and then the map pack gets you the other 30 to 40% of this traffic. And so citations are that second thing that help people in the map pack section. And so that citations are online directories like Yellow Pages or even your Facebook or Yelp, where you have your name, your business name, your address, and your phone number exactly as you have listed it in Google My Business. And that's very crucial that they're exactly the same, because you want to get credit for it. So we have a different software that we use that allows us to see how many citations these competitors have of yours. And we want to make sure that we get at least double that to make sure that you're getting the best bang for your buck in versus the number one thing in organic search and number two thing in citations. The number 3 and 4 things are related to the Google reviews as well as the photos and how they're optimized. And so those are things to that we make sure we do up front. But again, those are just some quick tips we have for you in regards to ranking higher in Google. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit us at www.mixedigitalmarketing.com. Thank you.